Hi guys, it's day 14 of the garage build, and this could be the last day. We're getting really close to being finished up. Nice and cool this morning, so that feels great. I can't wait to get started on sheeting all the ceiling in. Getting that all, boy, the poly looks good this morning. There's just a little breeze. It's sucking it up nice and tight and flat. Anyways, I'm gonna put the ceiling OSB all on, and then I'm gonna put all the OSB on the wall here, like I talked about yesterday. What else am I gonna do? I got definitely some cleanup to do. A couple little pieces of siding up there on those vinyl shakes. Oh, and the overhead door. That's gonna get delivered today, so we'll get the door and the opener in. What I don't get done, I'll get done the next day and cleaned up and moved out of here. On to the next project. So it's gone really well. Like I said, this is day 14. Obviously, I've had some help on other days, like, you know, the shingling and standing the walls up and stuff, but it's gone really well. So let's see what we do get done today. Okay, end of the day. Didn't get quite as much done today as I wanted, but we did get the ceiling all sheeted in, and this wall as well. Get the lighting a little better here. So the wall's all sheeted. It's all framed out around the door. I went to do the overhead door and it's actually damaged, so I have to order another panel. Not sure if you can pick up on that. Yeah, there's a little mark running across the door there. So anyways, be another day for that job.